I have popcorn for everybody. Hey guys, and if you're having trouble storing your extra items, today I'll be making a huge, big popcorn bin to store your extra items. So let's get started. You will need red electrical tape, scissors, popcorn, white paper, hot glue gun, and a big trash can. Let's get started. Popcorn is ready. This smells so good. Shh, let's eat some. Take the lid off. Get adult help. Now start gluing on the popcorn. I'm gonna add lots of glue on the top. Now I'm finished sticking on all the popcorn. To make the design, just trace half of your small circle. Now let's add the outline. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, and share and comment. And make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!